Hello and welcome. I don't know what to call this room because that's the first time I've been here to do things. Anyway, I have been heating up the de-soldering iron. Oh, wait a second. I need some reading glasses. And then I need to have a go at this socket. I do. Because this is the chip, or this is where I've been pushing on, that has been causing the funny things to happen with this pet. Now, does it mean that this is it? I don't know. It's annoying, that thing keeps on kind of bopping a bit. Oh well. Anyway, so is this the chip? I don't know. It seems suspicious. It does. I heated up things, hoping, but there was rust in the bottom of this machine, in this corner, even though it doesn't look like anything was bad on the board. You just never know. Then, of course, there's always the possibility of ripping a trace. That's what I did a while ago. I'm working on the 1571s, and that really threw me off. Other things threw me off as well. But that did not help. Now, there may be a time I have to pick this up and give it a really good look-see. Maybe this is that time. Excuse me. Ah! Oh, that was not smart. All right. Hang on. I had the microphone on the board. That did not work out well. All right. So as I look at these, they don't look bad. They don't. All right. So we'll go down the other side. I'm not sure how that one did. Hard to tell sometimes. And I really don't want to rip any traces. I really don't. Sockets. What happened to that? Huh. You know what? That could have been it right there. That pin. I think it came sucking right out. Which means perhaps it was not making contact. That may have been it all along. Anyway, we will see. We will see. Got the light set up, maybe not the best. Get out of there. Because it puts me a little bit in the shadows here. I have not worked up here before. I have not. Alright, I'm going to put the iron down where the iron is hot. Oh, yes, it is. And then I'm going to try to get a really good look here. That was what. And you know, I betcha that pin that is missing, I betcha that's what the trouble was. So, let's see here. Are we still in there? Where are we? Oh, not quite. Move that. There we are. Okay. So I'm going to go back at this. Just that one looks like it could use a little more suction. None of these, though. I'm just trying to move things, so I could use some, I think. Trying to move things toward the center of the holes. Oh, I know, a little solder just dropped on there. It's still got a hold on there. All right. Let's just go down here. See how things are feeling. Okay. I'm just going to leave that sitting down for a moment. Oh. Maybe I should have taken the chip out. Oh. Okay, I'm okay. Now, this is the moment of some truth. Okay, it seems to be moving. I really want to be gentle. I do not want any trace troubles. I really don't. And it is hard to get every last little... Oh, no you don't. No you don't, solder iron. Hard to get every last little trickle of everything off of here. Okay. I'm thinking perhaps where are we here? Okay, we're still sort of in the zone. I'm thinking that maybe some of these need a little more. especially. And who knows, maybe it's the one with the broken pin that is causing the grief. I don't know. How are we doing there? Are we in? Oh, not quite. Okay. Are we in? We're in. Okay. So we're going to take this chip puller again. I'll give this just a little bit of pressure. Just a little wee bit. On that end. This end. Huh. Seems to be okay. Sort of, but it's not immediately popping out. So which side? Hard to say. Well, if anything, it's right along here. Okay. Let's go back. How are we doing on location? Not the best. Oh, there's one. That one looks like it could be a little bit still secure. Wiggle them around a bit. That one too, that one still. Everything is looking pretty fine. Except for this one. Hang on. Maybe this one too in the end. Alright. Let's see how we do. How are we doing here? There we are. Alright. I saw something fly away. Oh, it's a pin. Yeah, sometimes the pins will want to stay in. Oh yeah. Yes. That's not great, but I mean, we're never going to reuse the socket. It really doesn't matter. Alright, so we don't have any pins. Sorry. We don't have any that are, it looks like ripped. They're not really that much attached. What is that? Well, it looks pretty fine. But there's one here. I don't think that was the one that was broken. Maybe just tidy this up just a little bit more on the top. Let's try and get all the old stuff out. Alright. I think for this moment, I don't like having the iron sitting right hot for no reason. Anyway, I believe as I may have showed you before there, socket we took out, and it does look, well, maybe that black stuff came loose, but there definitely was one. Which one was it? Where it does appear that the pin was broken off inside because it came right out. Alright, so here, okay, soldering iron is out. It is. Now, at the moment, I do not have, I think this is a 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it's 28. I need to find a 28 pin socket to put in there. I do. Anyway, I am somewhat hopeful that this will finally, finally get this resolved. Because a pin that is broken inside would show signs of what we were seeing, and really, I don't think it was ever making proper contact. So thanks for coming. We'll see what we find. Bye for now.